Hi, Jared.
Hello, Jason. How are you?
Good. How's your day going?
It's going excellent.
Don't sound too excited to see me here now.
I'm never excited to see you.
What do we got here?
This is a Humvee. Was this the rat truck or the flea truck? This is the flea truck.
Didn't everyone in the shop get like attacked by fleas that morning?
Yeah, we all got bit by fleas.
'Cause nobody knew, right? Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Cut to that footage.
Wait, how's that go again?
Whoa, bro, don't get that close. There are like 10 million fleas in there. They're running around, stripped down
off with the air gun, just blowing ourselves off.
in their friggin' chonies. I got a solution for you, dude. All right, I'll be right back. All right, ready? Look at this. We're gonna tarp this son of a bitch.
No, you're not. You're gonna fog it.
I got a 6-pack of foggers, but I also got this so you can just personally kill a bunch of them.
I'm gonna spray myself down when I'm done.
That works too, man. Set up the tarp on top.
Yeah.
Throw some cans in there, drop the tarp down, and then just fog this whole area.
And then power wash the hell out of it. Already on you.
There's a lot of different types of poo in there.
There's a lot going on here. It's even nature. This belongs to nature. It's not a Humvee anymore.
It's like dog poo, cat poo. I think that's raccoon over there.
I wonder where this thing was kept. I'm feeling things on me right now. But they took the dipstick out of the motor and just left it, and now it's just completely rusted. So I'm sure that trans is no good. Full of water and fleas. Like Mike Rowe on Dirty Jobs.
Is that your like hand modeling?
Yeah, what's that lady's name on Price is Right? Vanna White? That's my Vanna White.
Isn't she on the Wheel of Fortune?
Oh yeah. This is basically like a full build. Motor, paint, some interior. It's a Humvee, so it doesn't have the same interior as a H1. Doesn't have all the body panels. We're adding an 8 new HVAC system. We're adding our Alpha fiberglass dash kit. You know, full stereo system, full marine stereo systems, and just in case it gets wet inside, it is a Humvee. It is probably still going to get wet inside. It's very hard to seal these things up completely. Bumpers, brush guards. I mean, it's getting the whole 9 yards. This is our Duramax conversion package, Duramax 6.6. Heavy duty cooling package, all aluminum radiator, bigger fan, fuel cooler, and power steering cooler, as well as a transmission cooler underneath in the back. This customer opted to do a whole underbody Kevlar treatment, so we did our black Kevlar underneath the whole underbody of the vehicle. Cleans everything up, especially on a Humvee. It makes everything look a lot newer. If you only do a paint job, it's still going to be green or tan or whatever color it comes. But the Kevlar on the exterior, same kind of texture, same material, different colors. This is a factory rocker panel protection from an H1.
They don't come with underbellies?
They don't come with underbellies. I mean, to my knowledge, no Humvee that I've ever seen has come with an underbelly. I could be wrong, don't quote me. But this is off an H1 that we powder coated black, and we're gonna adapt it to the Humvee, and it's getting our drop down steps on them. This truck's gonna be pretty high. It's already got a 2-inch body lift. He's gonna do a 2-inch suspension lift, as well as 40-inch tires.
What about the wheels?
He's gonna do 40s and probably R-style rims. So this is actually a Plan B kit for a Humvee. We install them quite often. The doors, the soft top, and the partition in the back. If there's a partition that blocks off the bed from the cab of the truck, to make it more watertight. It's all sealed inside there. We installed the whole thing, disassembled it, prepped it for paint, and then reassembled it. Now we're in the back of the truck. Looks kind of like the front of the truck.
It looks nothing like the front of the truck.
The color is exactly the same. There's not too much going on back here, Jason. Bumpers are being made pretty much at a stopping point in the rear of the vehicle at this time. But it looks great, what we've done so far. It's got our LED rear taillights that we've adapted, done the harnesses we need for Humvee. We have a floorboard reinforcement kit for Humvees. We've seam sealed them in and we've sprayed over them. The floors of your Humvee, very thin. They're like almost paper thin. They flex a lot. You feel like you're stepping on something other than a piece of sheet metal. It's a huge difference in my opinion. I mean, no, that hurts.
How's your knuckles feel?
It fucking hurts. This is our fuel door. Obviously he only needs one because he doesn't have an auxiliary fuel tank. It's a Humvee and it's functional. I mean, you lock your fuel, no one can siphon your fuel tank out.
And dirt stays out of there.
And yeah, dirt stays out of there. The coolest thing is you can lock it. As you can see, we don't have windshields yet because this customer is sparing no expense. Freshen everything up, new glass. Our Alpha fiberglass dash kit, but he opted to texture coat it as well. We've only done on a few and it comes out pretty cool when it's all done. So this thing will be super durable and tough. We're doing Dakota digital gauges. I got a lot of stuff going in here. I've got, like I said, a full marine sound system with like LED speakers, they light up. All the stuff on the drivetrain is getting upgraded as well. It's getting 12K half shafts, 12-inch rotors. Yeah, so we're, you know, I'm walking. Do I have anything else left to say? You're gonna have a good time editing this video. To be continued. Hopefully next time we're doing another vlog on this. It's wrapped up and we're watching it being filmed, driving away on a transport truck, headed to the customer. Another satisfied customer. And thanks for watching. And keep subscribing, keep liking, keep following.